going to Edmonton. So this is our weekend getaway. Jessica, say hi to our vlog. This is our vlog. Jessica, say hi. Andre, say hello.
Say hi.
Guys, dito sa Canada, ibang klase yung araw kasi masyadong nakakasilaw, ibang klase sa compared sa Pilipinas kasi dito parang sobrang laki at sobrang lapit ng araw, kaya yung pag nagmamaneho kayo, nagda-drive kayo, kailangan nyo talaga ng magandang quality ng sunglasses. Hindi lang siya yung pang yung pang normal na protection sa or forma ba, dapat talaga maganda yung quality nyo ng sunglasses nyo kasi pag nagmamaneho kayo talagang nakakasilaw, sobrang silaw. Kaya sa Canada medyo delikado mag-drive pag yung mga long drive na tulad dito, ang lapit ng araw kumpara sa sa Pilipinas. Yan. Hello. We're here in Valley View, right, Jessica?
Yup.
Valley View. So hinto muna kami saglit. We're just stopping by for a moment because we're going to do a quick break. So we're gonna choose regular. So we're here at Valley View. It's part of Alberta. Quick break lang muna kami, pagas, and then Jessica, Mommy, and Andre gonna have just short break, maybe 15 minutes for washroom and video. So dito kami ngayon sa Valley View. Short break muna kami, pagas, and washroom break. Say hello, guys. So katapos lang namin magpa-gas, katapos na rin mag-washroom to mga bata, so ako naman. Hi guys, we're still on the way, Edmonton, 3 hours more. So from BC, in our small town, to Edmonton is 5.5 hours, so 3 more hours. Diretso kami ng Jollibee para mag-lunch, late lunch na to, and then after that we will go proceed to our hotel. So sa pala kami mag-check-in sa Comfort Inn, malapit lang sa Seafood City. First time namin doon, pero chinek ko dun sa map, parang katabi lang siya ng Seafood City, Edmonton. Ayan, I'm with my family. Ito si Jessica. Hi Jessica, hello, say hi to the vlog. Si Andre. Tulog. Ayan, pakita mo yung ayan, dito pa lang kami sa road. Ayan. By the way guys, maganda pa lang ang weather ngayon. So if you can see, sunny, pero malamig, hindi ganun kalamig, parang 6 degrees or 5 to 7 degrees fluctuating. Pero mamayang hapon, sigurado babagsak ito ng mga close to 0 degrees. Walang snow ngayon, kaya maganda yung travel. Ang balik namin, 4 days 3 nights kami. Balik namin is on Tuesday. Wala pa ring snow siya. So pagka Wednesday doon na mag-snow. So at least sakto lang yung biyahe namin. So balikan namin kay mamaya.
Oh, I thought it was the... Yeah, me too. Spasa to padagan eh. There you go.
Andre, yummy? Like this, like this. Jessica, yummy? 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 Where's mommy?
Dino pig.
Andre, you do put...
You don't put your...
Labok, spaghetti for Jessica. Mommy is a chicken.
No, the yummy is spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yes, that's me.
Inata mo dalag dental floss mga ani, no?
Hmm.
Once you start, you want to be able to finish it. And finishing it means
Alright, put your jackets on.
I already did.
so we're hurting for meat.
You Jessica?
Hunting really hard. We're soft already.
And then put your shoes on.
Cows and calves.
Why are you really good, but I'm not?
Yeah. And bring the water bottles, okay? One for Andre, maybe two for your chest.
Okay, nandito na kami sa West Edmonton Mall. We're going for swimming. So, yung mga bata, papaswimming namin, pati kami rin. Dito kami sa parking, kakapark lang namin. Dito kami sa indoor water park. Ito yung mga parang pinakamalaking indoor pool dito sa Edmonton. Sa loob ng West Edmonton Mall. Malamig ang panahon. Actually magandang weather ngayon. Bale, sunny pa rin. Tapos around 7 or 5 degrees around there. Napasok na kami sa entrance. Doon. Okay, so ito, mag-lunch muna kami. We have noodles for Jessica. No ba? Noodles, rice, and pork.
Rice later, okay?
And then ito yung sa akin, rice and rice, mushroom, vegetables, and beef, ginger beef yata.
Yeah. Let's share, okay?
So So doon kami sa Oriental Delight. Bumili, Oriental Delight.
Hang on a minute, just stay put. Oh, there's noodles here too. Not any noodles, Bidel.
Wait.
I did not hang on
Andre?
the banister.
I won't fly.
No jumping, please.
Oh, bili muna tayong ticket.
Cashier. Siguro kasi wala kami.
Hindi, wala kasing ano eh, walang linya.
112, 110.
Andre, where are you going? Ha? Ah, okay.
I genuinely don't understand. Siblings what?
What's this there?
Why am I filming?
Oh my goodness.
Potato corner. Yes ka.
Of course.
Potato corner.
Yeah. I have the most less drink out of. I have the most less water out of everyone.
Let's take so good. It's hot.
Andre, go.
Okay, you wanna drop a few feet down there?
Nasa ka photo? Yo. Andre. Andre. Saan ka punta, Andre?
Good.
Saan ka punta? Where are you going? Okay, dito kami ngayon sa Premium Outlet Mall here in Edmonton in Leduc Town. So this is 30 minutes from Edmonton Center or Edmonton area. This ano to, parang outside boundary ng Edmonton. So nasa number 4 tayo na ano, entrance. So kailangan tandaan kung saan kayo pumasok kasi minsan nakakalito. Para paglabas nyo, at least alam nyo kung saan kayo nakapark. Edmonton. Ah, sorry. Premium outlet mall pala. Ayan, wala masyadong tao. Wala masyadong tao. Potato Corner in Premium Outlet Mall, Edmonton. So dito kami sa Potato Corner sa Premium Outlet Mall. Andre, makalimutan mo yung jacket mo, ha? Andre, don't forget your jacket, later. Wow, shopping, Andre.
Mommy, you wasted time.
Wow, shopping, Andre. Andre, what did you buy? Anong binili mo? Ha? Anong binili mo? What did you buy?
The shoes.
Oh, shoes.
I bought shoes, but they look like food, so I bought food.
Hmm. So, we're still here sa Premium Outlet, Edmonton. Dito tayo.
Oh, sorry, Sasha. Outside.
Seafood City. So, this is our last day sa Edmonton. So, mag-early lunch lang kami dito sa Seafood City and grocery konti, and then going back to our small town in BC or British Columbia. Seafood City, Filipino groceries and restaurant. Grill City. This is the barbecue area. Hello, good morning, guys. We're leaving now here from Edmonton, going to our small town in BC, in British Columbia. So, kakagaling lang namin ng last minute shopping sa TNT in West Edmonton Mall. And we're already here in the highway going BC. So, yeah. So, see you next time, Edmonton again. So, say hi, Cheska and Andre. This is our road trip going home. Yeah, so maganda yung weather ngayon. So sakto lang talaga kasi tomorrow may snow. So dumating kami rito nung Saturday, which is maganda rin yung weather, and then sakto 4 days ang stay namin dito, and then kinabukasan, which is tomorrow, mag-i-snow na. So kaya sakto lang talaga, kaya maganda yung biyahe, medyo mas safe siya i-drive. Kaya kasi tomorrow definitely mas mas delikado na kasi baka mag zero visibility, tapos masyadong madulas yung daan, kaya yun, tamang-tama lang din. So see you again next, maybe later, we will update you. Bye. Hi guys! So, I'm back or we're back. Andito na kami ngayon sa Valley View here in Alberta. So after 3 hours from Edmonton, so kararating lang namin. So nakikita nyo madilim na, but it's only 5:30. So madilim na. So ito, short break muna kami. Nag-take out kami ng Jollibee. So meron akong palabok. Ayan kami, may palabok kaming dalawa. Tapos yung dalawa dito sa likod, merong spaghetti, mga bata. So short break. Actually ito dinner na namin to kasi after here another 2.5 hours. So ang biyahe kasi from Edmonton to BC sa small town namin is 5.5 hours. So total 6 hours kasi may 30 minutes break kami ngayon. Ayan. So ayan, kain muna kami dinner. So para pagdating mamaya sa bahay, hakot lang ng gamit, linis konti, ligo, and then pahinga na kasi bukas may mga pasok ng mga bata at trabaho na rin. So siguro baka hindi na kami hindi na ako maka video mamaya o maka vlog mamaya. So until next time na uli. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye guys. Oh, bye bye.
Bye.